With each new day, we're chasing dreams, with hope in our hearts, horizons unseen.
Through every trial, we rise and soar. We're writing our story, we're taking control.
Mutu mutu kadare kamutu win, wode banik man sabiyin. Manu sakn kam, wode nagamin. Matu dawa setu nagasadamin.
Ratatana shakuti agena, navada hasumpana povana. Jana hadarit maya, hanunana parapura, apabava lovatamakiana. We empower our nation to thrive, shine our light through the darkest of nights.
Our hearts beating in one rhythm.
Show the world our nations arrive, and shout out with all of our might.
Tare halaye, tahaterinde, tarara dorumana dudene. Valiyengam moginuve, andamai vaikondadirave. Malaveni, vinda paradai, no selena ekn sitten hinda. Magadiga jaya dagabanda, samarum sina havavinda. Our broken past we leave behind, carving new paths with strength and with pride. With hearts bold and free,
We shape our own destiny. United, we will stand tall.
together we keep marching on.
நாட்டுக்கே பலம் அளித்திடுவே, புது சிந்தனைகள் உயிர் பெறவே. மக்கள் மனம் சொல்வதை ஐந்திலும் தலைமுறை, அது நாம் என உலகம் சொல்லவே. அந்த ஒளி எங்கும் முழங்கிடவே.
Mutu mutu kadaka mutu vennu, roda bendiye kumban saviyen. Makal manam solvadai arindidum தலைமுறை. Show the world our nations arrive, and shout out with all of our might.
We shine our light through the darkest nights.
with hope in our hearts and our sights set on horizons yet to be seen.
And as we write our story, we show the world our nation has truly arrived. Good evening and welcome to the Chairperson's Awards 2024. I'm Anuki Keenawinna from Cinnamon Hotels and Resorts.
I'm Sachith Fernando from John Keells Properties.
And I'm Soja Rajakaruna from the JKHMT batch of 2023. And we will be your hosts for this evening. Tonight's performance was an original composition written specifically for this event, with lyrics by Ruchira Kurulugama and melody by Tharaka Jayasuriya, and co-written by our very own Chalukya Weerakoon Dinuk Gunasekera, and Kumudu Munasinghe. The song inspires us to take control of our destiny and to dream boldly. It evokes the sense of unity we feel when we come together and shine through in the darkest of times.
We would like to take a moment to thank the performers of our opening act. Our performers were Dinuk Gunasekera from JK Marketing Services, Prasanna Rupkumar from John Keells Properties, Nadani Mendis and Sayuni Senadheera from OCTAVE, Sasijith Hettiarachchi from Walker's Tours, and Dinithi Perera and Ruwasha Kannangara from the 2023 batch of JKHMTs.
This evening, we gather to celebrate the spirit of excellence, the strength of collaboration, and the remarkable contributions that continue to drive our organization forward.
It is a night to honor achievement, dedication, and innovation, inspiring even greater success in the years to come.